And this would be great stuff for the website. And these are guys that don't like our gears.
Yeah, you can tell.
Yeah.
You can tell.
What do they use? JCBs?
No, they like case and vodka.
That's not unusual.
And they bought a whole bunch of shit from Evergreen before I got to know them.
Oh, really, eh?
So, and Evergreen's selling Terex now. They don't like Terex. Why is that thing squeaking?
Yeah, I was wondering that.
Must have got PDI'd or something. Rick noticed it right off, right?
Yeah.
What was that noise he said?